Hey, what's up guys? As you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create a NutBolts Beyblade using M-Seal. So yeah guys, today I'm going to make a Beyblade using M-Seal, and it's going to be a NutBolt Beyblade. Okay, here we go. So here you have 3 bolts and 3 nuts. So yeah, this Bey is definitely going to have 3 contact points. This one has 4, but this one will have 3. And the reason is guys, very simple. I'm going to make this Beyblade fully different. I don't want to make this Beyblade look same like this one. So yeah, it's going to be different. I'm very sorry guys, don't expect good speaking from me guys. I'm not that much great in speaking English, especially while recording video. So yeah, if I say anything wrong while speaking English, so I'm very sorry for that. Okay guys, now we need something where I will place the nuts like this way, and I'm gonna stick it with M-Seal, which I had already used in this Beyblade guys. As you can see, I'm actually talking about a circular disc like this one guys. As you can see, here we go guys, just look at that. This one is really a thick one. As you can see, I just really got this from a hardware shop, only guys 20 rupees, and to be honest guys, this disc almost weighs 50 grams. Whoa guys, just look at that, 51 grams guys. So yeah, this disc weighs almost 50 grams. And I know guys, many of you don't have M-Seal or don't know how to get M-Seal. So if you don't have M-Seal, then I can recommend you super glue for sure. But yeah, M-Seal is better option guys for sure, because M-Seal really is a solid material which you can use to stick metal, because it's not possible to stick metal with hot glue. So yeah, don't try to use hot glue to stick metal parts, especially like bolts or nuts. Okay. Okay guys, I'm done placing all the nuts like this way, as you can see, like a triangular shape, you know. And yeah guys, look at the 3 contact points. Yeah, these are going to be these are. Who is making this noise, bro? Oof. Okay guys, while the layer plate is drying up, let's just quickly make the prong assembly like this one guys, as you can see. But I have already done making the prong guys. Actually, this was my previous creation guys. If you have watched my previous video where I had created a water tank Beyblade, you know, so I just have taken the prong part. Here you can see the bottle cap part, and I have already done making the prong. Let's just quickly make 3 cuts around the bottle cap, because as you can see, it's not placing properly. It's looking too much tall guys. So yeah, I'm going to make 3 cuts around the bottle cap. Let me just quickly show you that how to do. Okay, here we go. As you can see guys, something like this. Okay guys, here I am done cutting around the bottle cap like this way, 3 cuts, so that I can place it properly like this way guys. As you can see, now it's looking perfect. Wow, not bad, looking better than before. But yeah guys, still we are not done yet. We have to add M-Seal. So let's just quickly mix our M-Seal and then just quickly add it on the nuts, so that the nuts will place very properly and it will not come out from the disc. There we go. Wow. And yeah guys, it's really satisfying to mix M-Seal together, because at the end it will fully turn in black. Here we go. Okay guys, here you go. I think I'm done mixing the M-Seal. Now let's just quickly place it on the Beyblade layer like this way. I'm going to cover the nuts like this way guys, as you can see. And yeah guys, this M-Seal is a little bit sticky, so I need to use water so that it will not get stuck on my hand. And yeah guys, if the M-Seal once gets dried up, it's very tough to take off, especially if it gets stuck on your hand. Okay, let's just quickly place our prong, you know, bottle cap prong. And guys, make sure to keep gap inside the bottle cap, otherwise you will not be able to load the Beyblade with the launcher. The prong can get stuck. I mean, the launcher prong can get stuck inside the bottle Beyblade. Okay guys, while the layer is drying up, let's see if the launcher locks properly with the Beyblade or not. Okay, here we go. Wow, not bad. What the? Guys, I don't know what to say and not even know what to explain. Okay guys, now it's time to attach the bolts at 3 sides of the Beyblade layer like this way. Let me just quickly show you that. So yeah, I'm going to place it like this way guys. But I don't know guys, I'm having a little bit problem placing the nuts properly. I want to place it like this way, but for now I'm just going to place it like this. Okay. Oh guys, I don't know, but this Beyblade is looking really little bit weird. Okay guys, on the way, as you can see guys, really trying my best to give the best shape I can give to this Beyblade. Okay, here we go. We are almost done guys. So yeah, this Beyblade will actually have 6 contact points, because I have attached 3 bolts and 3 nuts, as you can see here. And to be honest guys, the M-Seal is almost too much dried up, so that's why I'm not able to shape that much properly. So guys, I don't want to give you any excuses, but at the end this happened. As you can see, I don't know how, but the M-Seal just broke off. And yeah, at the end guys, I was not able to stick this bolt on the Beyblade. So somehow guys I failed to make this Beyblade, but yeah, as you have seen in the thumbnail guys, I'm definitely going to make this Beyblade guys, don't worry. And as you can see, the M seal is not good. Okay guys, I'm just trying to take out as much M seal I can so that I can put new M seal here. And you can clearly see the condition of this Beyblade guys. Can't believe guys, 2 hours of hard work just failed in seconds.
You set my soul on fire.
Still, anyway guys, I'm definitely going to make this Beyblade today. So okay, let's just quickly continue our process. And I don't know guys, how's the video quality? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And very sorry for this guys, compromise for today. Let's make roti bread like my mom does always every morning. While the M seal is mixing guys, let me just quickly attach this bottle cap on top, I mean the prong part, with super glue, because while I was putting M seal guys, this bottle cap really shook a lot and it actually ruined the full shape of the Beyblade while putting M seal. So this time I'm not going to let that happen anymore. I'm going to use different way, not going to do the same mistake again. Okay guys, let's just quickly put some M seal, and this time fully properly in different style. Not going to waste any more M seal anymore. Let's just quickly place it like this way. Yeah guys, now the Bey is actually getting the shape that I was wanting for so long, as you can see. Yeah guys, just peeling off the extra M seal, because in this area I'm going to lock the Beyblade with the launcher, so that's why we need to make sure that this part is fully clean and clear. Okay, it's time to play with fire.
No, that would be dangerous.
What?
You set my soul on fire.
1 second. Cut.
Yeah guys, this is an alternative way to dry up the M seal using fire. And yeah guys, don't play with fire without any reason, like I'm now playing with fire. But I have a reason, you know. Okay guys, finally, after the hard work of 1 hour, here it is guys, here's the final result of the Beyblade layer. Just look at that guys, looking so much thick. Wow, this Bey is definitely going to be almost 150 grams, I guess so. I don't know, but yeah guys, look at that. Make sure to like this video if you haven't liked it guys.
No.
Okay, surprisingly, while I was finding some bottom parts for the Beyblade, I just suddenly found this. I don't know what it is, but it's a steel part, as you can see. And yeah guys, it really switches on the Beyblade very properly, like the bottom spin track something. So yeah, I need to stick it. And yeah guys, it's actually really looking cool. Just suddenly guys found it in my room. Okay guys, let's just quickly add some hot glue inside. Yeah, I know I could also use M seal. I could also pour M seal inside, but unfortunately guys, the M seal that I had extra, it just got fully solid guys, as you can see, dried up. So I can't use it anymore.
Well done.
So yeah, I just wasted M seal again. What can I do guys? I just forgot to use it. I'm going to stick another bolt inside like this. Now it's time to see the final reveal of this Bey. Let's see how much it weighs. I hope at least 150 grams. Pow! Oh, 180 grams guys, just look at that, almost 20 gram plus. I actually predicted 150 grams, but yeah, it's much more heavier. Wow guys, not bad. So yeah, 180 grams heavy Beyblade. Okay guys, now our Bey is looking much more cool than before. From the back side, blue and red, and from the front, grams heavy Beyblade X Bey. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Oh yeah guys, my launcher really just gave so much pressure to launch this Bey. And yeah, very sorry for bad video quality guys, because it's indoor, you know. And yeah, here's my die Bey stadium. Actually, I created this Bey stadium for this type of Beyblades guys, so that I can do battle royale Beyblades with my homemade Beys. And if you want to know how to make this Bey stadium, make sure to check out the description box, or I will give the video link at the I button. Here I have my NutBolts Beyblade, which is very small. Here we go. Oh bro. Okay, here we go guys. So as you can see, oh wow. Oh, 2 hits and finished. Go shoot. Here we go. Oh, 1 hit and finished. Go shoot. Oh, finished. Ouch. Oh, just. Oh, post finish. Oh, ring of finish.
So just do it!